It was Sunday morning, and Gattu Chinky were still asleep. Just then, Mummy and Bingo arrive.
Yes, Bingo, it's Sunday and that's why they both are sleeping. Okay then, Bingo. Today it's your duty to wake them. In the meanwhile, I'll go and make breakfast.
Mummy goes into the kitchen, and Bingo jumps and gets onto Gattu Chinky's bed.
Hey, what are you doing, Bingo?
Thanks to Bingo, Gattu and Chinky finally get up and sit down.
Yes, Bingo, we are up. Are you happy now? Now get off my blanket. We have to fold it, Bingo. Hey, wait a minute. I'm going to let you out, Bingo.
Chinky carefully removes the blanket from Bingo, causing him to come out and run into Chinky's laps.
Now you're completely safe, Bingo.
But just then, Gattu says,
Chinky, because of Bingo, I got an idea that what game we all are going to play today. What idea, Gattu? Come on, I'll tell you.
After cleaning their room, Gattu quickly goes out and makes a phone call to all his friends to tell them his idea. After hanging up the phone,
Wow, Gattu, this idea is really so cool. Yes, Chinky, and it's all because of Bingo.
just then Mummy comes over and says to Gattu Chinky,
Come on, kids, have breakfast first. Okay, Mummy.
As soon as it's noon, all of Gattu Chinky's friends come over to the house. They all had a bag in their hands.
It looks like you are going to do something really exciting today, kids. Yes, Mummy. Today we are going to play a special game. It's called the Blindfold Challenge.
After listening to Gattu, Papa sitting on the same sofa says, Okay, what happens in it, Gattu?
Papa, in this game, all the friends have brought some random items from their homes. Now, one by one, each person will put on the blindfold and then some items will be placed in front of them. And then he'll have to guess what is it by touching it. This game looks really exciting and fun, Gattu. Yes, you're right. This game is really fun. But Monty, don't you dare to be naughty, understood?
Why would I do anything? Do I ever do anything?
Yes, always. Okay.
I'll try not to be naughty.
But Gattu Chinky, I have to admit, this game of yours feels really fun by the sound of it.
Then Mom and Dad, you also play with us. As it is, it's Sunday today. It's everyone's holiday.
Then it's done, kids. Today we will also play the blindfold challenge.
Yay!
The game begins, and Goody is the first to sit on the chair, blindfolded. Chinky, while laughing, takes out an orange from her bag.
Here you go, Goody. And now guess what it is? Yes, it looks like a ball. A cricket ball? Is it a cricket ball, Chinky?
No.
Goody removes the blindfold and starts laughing after seeing the orange.
I didn't think it would be so difficult. You couldn't even recognize such a simple thing, Goody. Huh? It wasn't that simple. You'll find out when it's your turn. Okay. Let's see how difficult it is then.
Now Bunty sits down with the blindfold on. Chinky places toothpaste in front of him.
Yes, I am 100% sure. This is Auntie's hand cream.
Everyone starts laughing. When Bunty removes the blindfold,
Oh, but I thought it was hand cream. It looked exactly like that. Why, Bunty? Now you see it's not that easy. Huh? It's just that my item was trickier, nothing else. Okay, come on, it's Hari's turn.
Hari puts on the blindfold, and Gattu places a comb in front of him.
Yes, it's a comb.
And Hari takes the comb and starts combing his hair stylishly. Seeing this, everyone claps for Hari and laughs.
You said it right, Hari. And this hairstyle of yours is looking cool too.
Come on, Gattu. Now it's your turn.
Gattu sits down with his blindfold on. Then Chinky places Bingo's favorite toy in front of him. It was a small stuffed elephant.
It's something like an elephant. But how can such a big elephant fit in a small house?
Everyone starts laughing at Gattu's mention.
Chinky, it seems Gattu recognized it. Obviously, Mummy. This is Bingo's favorite stuffed toy. Yes, Bingo, yes. Here you go. Catch it. Very good, Bingo. Come on. Tell me whose turn is next? Me.
Chinky starts putting the blindfold on Mummy. But then Gattu sees that Monty has put his hand in his pocket and is laughing.
Why is Monty laughing so much? Definitely something is wrong.
When Monty takes his hand out of his pocket and Gattu looks closely, he sees a fake lizard.
Okay, got it. Monty is looking for fun. So come on, Bingo, my friend. You know what to do, right? Very good. Sneak up to Monty and bring his lizard back to me. Very good, Bingo. Mummy also recognized this lock and key. Now whose turn is it? Now it's Monty's turn. Right, Monty?
Yes, why not?
Monty sits down and puts on his blindfold.
Gattu, I will keep this flower pot. No, Chinky, wait.
Gattu stops Chinky and places a fake lizard in front of Monty. And everyone starts laughing.
Come on now, Monty. Tell me what's in front of you. Oh, I'll tell you right now.
As soon as Monty puts his hand on the lizard, he starts jumping in fear.
Save me. What's this? A lizard?
Monty quickly removes the blindfold.
What, Monty? You are scared of a fake lizard? And that too with the lizard he brought himself. Huh, Gattu, you've completely ruined my game. What? What does that mean? Chinky, Monty brought this lizard to scare one of us. But I scared him instead with his own lizard. And that too with the help of a Bingo.
Everyone looks at Bingo together. And Bingo happily shakes his tail.
Very good, Bingo.